Enabling Face ID on Dayforce is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the Dayforce application on your mobile device. Next, from the top left icon drop down, click on Set up Face ID. Look into the iPad or iPhone and make sure you get in the full frame of your face. Then, click the Set Face ID button. If the setup is successful, you will see a big white check mark and the Go to Clock In and Out button will be available for you to click on and start your day. That's how you can easily enable Face ID on Dayforce. Face ID support might be introduced in a specific version of the Dayforce app. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Also, verify that your phone's privacy settings allow the Dayforce app to access Face ID. You can check this in your device settings under Face ID and passcode, or similar settings on Android.